Guys, and welcome to today's video. I know I skipped my upload this Saturday. That's because I was still sort of busy planning a video that I'm still trying to sort of completely plan before I can upload it. And I've decided that I don't want to be so strict about the upload schedule as such, because till the time I'm not really happy with a video's concept or the content of the video, I don't want to just post it for the heck of it. And considering the fact that we're still in quarantine and there's not much going on, it's very difficult to keep coming up with video ideas. I'm sure you guys can understand, but today's video is really exciting. I'm so happy that I'm able to do this because Siddharth has been the most supportive fiance slash boyfriend fiance that I have, that I could possibly have. So I'm so excited to be doing this. I'm sure by the title of the video you guys have figured that Siddharth is a part of this video. Obviously Siddharth and I are not living together because we're not married yet, so we're not living in the same house. So I haven't really met him since the time we've been in this lockdown period, and I can't wait to see him. But I was able to basically plan this video out in a way that I sent him the questions. He filmed the part of the video that he is in yesterday, and then he sent over the video clip to me, which I'm gonna post in this video, so you guys will see what his answers are. And that's how the video is gonna go. Basically, I haven't really seen his video. Basically, I planned the questions, he's gonna answer the questions, and I'm gonna tell you if the answer is right or not. So obviously the title of the video is how well does my fiance know me, and we're gonna find out together because I haven't really seen his answers as well. I just know the questions, so it's gonna be fun. I have his questions and his answers in my phone, so I'm gonna watch them with you and give you my live reaction. So that's gonna be fun. So let's get right into this.
So Julia sent me certain questions that she wants me to answer. Let's see how it goes. Let's read the first one. So about how well does Sid know me? Okay. I think pretty well. Yeah. It's been so many years. There's nothing left that I don't know. Hopefully. My favorite color.
My favorite color is pink, guys. Let's see if he gets it right.
I'll have to go with pink. That's always been your favorite color. And your obsession with pink is just way too much. And when is my birthday?
11th May. I'm pretty sure he knows that. If at all he gets it wrong, I mean, I don't really know what to say, but I'm pretty sure he knows the right answer.
What a dumb question. You think I wouldn't know that or what? If I didn't know that, then we wouldn't be together for so long. It's 11th May 1993.
Yeah. I love birthdays. I'm obsessed with birthdays. His birthday, my family's birthday. I love birthdays, so he had to know the right answer.
Favorite city?
Favorite city is New York.
I know this one because you keep talking about it, and it's always, I think, since you like Bombay a lot, you've been very fascinated with the similar lifestyle in New York, so I'm going to go with New York, and closely followed by London, I think. Though I would say New York is your favorite city.
New York it is. Not bad, Mr. Jain. Alright.
Favorite meal?
Favorite meal? Basically home food. I'm obsessed with home food, so it has to be like comfort food like varan bhat or sai bhaji and rice. Like, it's a Sindhi dish. It's palak dal basically and rice, so I like that.
Well, that's a difficult one. I think, if I'm not wrong, it has to be the Sindhi koki. I'm gonna go with Sindhi koki.
It is Sindhi food, but not koki, Siddharth. It's rice and sai bhaji.
Favorite drink, non-alcoholic?
Coffee. I mean, come on. I'm sure even you guys know that I'm obsessed with coffee. Non-alcoholic drink has to be coffee. Let's see if he gets it right.
Obviously coffee, man. And that too, I'll tell you which one. It's going to be cappuccino.
Not bad. He knows it's cappuccino.
You started having that just recently. Before that, it was like a mocha and cafe latte or some shit that you used to drink.
He knows my Starbucks orders. That's so cute. Like, I was obsessed with mocha at this point. Like, there was this phase where I was obsessed with mocha and at this specific order, and now it's just a simple cappuccino that I order at Starbucks. So, not bad.
What makes me the happiest?
What makes me the happiest? So, to be honest, this is gonna sound like a cliche, but I love spending time with family and friends, and of course like spending time with Siddharth, like quality time. That makes me the happiest. So yeah, just spending quality time with my loved ones makes me the happiest.
It has to be me. If it's something else, then I don't know what you're doing or what I'm doing.
Is it?
How do I enjoy spending my time when I'm with you?
So I love spending time with Siddharth when we go out for dinners and like basically picking out our food. Like I love going to restaurants with Siddharth, and especially when we go to our favorite restaurant Yaucha and we like order all our favorite dishes. So yeah, I think food is something I love doing with Siddharth. Like I love eating yummy food when I'm with him.
I'm going to go with mostly nagging me and making me do things that I'm not too inclined towards, like going for a movie or going to play.
You like going for movies, so I like going for certain movies, and his genre of movies are completely different, which is why we usually don't agree on movies, but we still like going for movies.
Going to Smash to play all those games and
I love going to Smash. I love those arcade zones, and he doesn't really like it because he doesn't like crowded spaces. But I love going bowling and go-karting and all those things, and he doesn't enjoy it.
stuff. And yeah,
But babe, how did you not get food? Like we love going for dinners together. He didn't get that right.
my height.
What's my height, Siddharth? It is 5'8". I mean, let's see if he gets that right.
It's 5'8". I know you're 2 or 3 inches shorter
Yeah,
than me.
he's like 3 inches taller to me. There was this phase when we were in college, okay? Like, obviously, Siddharth and I started dating when we were really young. I was 14 and he was 15. So, we were still growing as kids. And in college, there was a point where I was taller to him. And his friend went like, dude, your girlfriend's growing taller than you. What's happening? And then we got to a point where he grew taller. And yeah, thank God, because I like tall guys. And yeah, so there was a phase in our relationship where I was kind of taller than him, which is so weird, but thankfully he grew taller. Not that I really care. I mean, it's 2020. I mean, a man can be shorter than you, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I like wearing my heels, so yeah, it just worked out in my favor.
If I was supposed to spend 1 CR in an hour, what would I spend?
Alright, so the question basically is that if I had 1 CR to spend on anything that I wanted in 1 hour, what would I spend it on? And this is a trap question because I'm pretty sure Siddharth got this wrong. Like, he'll basically say that I'll spend it on bags and shoes and clothes, but guys, trust me, I'm a big believer in saving and making investments. So honestly, coming from a Sindhi family as well, I'm half Sindhi, I believe in investments and savings. So I would basically put that in a fixed deposit or invest it in a property or something of that sort, or buy gold. I wouldn't really spend it on just random things. And Siddharth probably thinks I would. So that's one thing he probably got wrong. Trust me. And I'm pretty sure Siddharth's like saying a big no behind the screen right now. He thinks this is not true, but it is true.
You're not on Kaun Banega Crorepati. Koi nahi dene wala tere ko 1 crore rupee to spend in 1 hour. I think if you had to spend it, then I think you would go buy luxury bags and outfit. I think luxury bags. I think Birkin is going to be the number one.
I'm so impressed that he actually got the name right. Like, he knows I want to buy a Birkin at some point. Not bad. Like, so that's totally not into bags and shoes, obviously. But he remembered Birkin, which is impressive. But babe, I wouldn't spend it randomly on bags. Even when I buy my bags, I really plan it. So no, I wouldn't spend it on bags. But yeah, this I knew he would say.
Bag on your list that you would go for. And how else would you spend it? Not much on food. It's probably going to be like a lot on clothes and a lot on bags.
Knew it.
Yeah.
Ha!
Heels or sneakers?
Heels. I love wearing heels. I'm a very feminine kind of girl. So no matter how comfy sneakers are, I only prefer wearing sneakers when I'm working out or when I'm traveling. But otherwise, when I'm dressing up, I love my heels.
I think you're a sneaker person. I personally feel, I'm not too sure though. I think you're a sneaker person. Favorite festival?
Favorite festival is Ganpati.
I think it's going to be Ganesh Chaturthi. You do get at your house also, and I think you like
Ganpati and then Diwali, but Ganpati is my number one. You got it right.
What did I study in London?
Let's see if he knows that. Because obviously he knows I studied fashion in London, but which degree. I'm not sure if he knows. I did buying and merchandising in fashion from London College of Fashion, which is a business degree. Let's see if he knows that.
Of course, I know this one. I was the one who wrote the exam.
He wasn't supposed to say that on camera. There was this mini entrance exam that I was supposed to give before I got my admission. Of course, I cleared all the entrance exams, but there was just this one little one that included maths, and I am horrible at maths. Like I just can't deal with numbers. So Siddharth helped me out, and at that point he was studying in Bangalore and I was sitting in Bombay, and we were giving an exam that was meant to be in London, and he just helped me out online. He was on the phone with me trying to help me solve my problems, like literal problems, mathematical problems, and I got through. I did really well in that exam and I got through. So yeah, that's the story.
Admission in the college. I know you're going to edit this part, but yeah. So it was it was something to do with merchandising and buying in the fashion related field.
He knows. He pays attention, guys. He pays attention.
Where the next question is, what annoys me the most about Siddharth?
Alright, what is that one thing that annoys me the most about Siddharth? Although obviously there are so many things that annoy me about him. No matter how much I love him, there are things that do annoy me. But the number one thing, especially it's been going on recently as well, is the fact that he thinks he looks great with like a fully grown beard look and like fully grown hair. I personally think it doesn't look as good. Like I like it when he just has a stubble and his hair is like well done, but he for some reason thinks he looks great with like a fully grown beard. Guys, let me know what do you think. Please help me. Tell him that he doesn't look the best with like a fully grown beard. He thinks he looks great, so that annoys me. We keep fighting about this, but in the end, obviously it's just a joke between us. He can do whatever he wants with his face, but yeah, that's just one thing that we keep fighting about, his beard. So let's see if he knows that.
I don't know how to answer that, but
because he knows there are so many things that annoy me about him, he doesn't know what to say.
I think probably when I don't shave my beard and when I grow my hair out too much. But I think this quarantine has been a blessing in disguise, since you can't say anything to me right now. And I think I'll just grow it out for a few more months now. Let's see how it goes.
Babe, you do you, but I still prefer the stubble look.
I need to groom it though. I know it's not groomed, but...
So my brother is a hairstylist. I'm sure you guys know that. In case you don't, my brother is a hairstylist, like he cuts hair. So my brother and Siddharth have been constantly on the phone figuring out what they're gonna do with Siddharth's look once they meet. So yeah, right now he's in this phase where he's just growing out his hair and beard, which I don't know what it's gonna look like once it's done, but yeah, for now he's just growing his hair out.
And the last one is, first thing I will do after the lock.
First thing I'm gonna do after the lockdown is basically I'm gonna go and jump on Siddharth and just hug him really tightly because I miss him. I can't wait to meet him. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Let's see if he knows that. I'm pretty sure he knows that because I tell him every single day. Yeah, he just knows it.
After the lockdown ends. So I think that's a pretty straightforward answer. You're going to come and meet me, and yeah, I think you're going to annoy the shit out of me by then. So let's see how it goes.
Aww. I think he got a lot of correct answers. I haven't been counting, only a couple of wrong ones, but I think he knows me pretty well. He did well. I'm so happy. So that did well. And yeah, not bad, Siddharth Jain. Not bad. I feel like I could have added some more questions, so maybe we should do a part 2. So why don't you guys help me out with a couple of questions? Maybe you can comment down below with a couple of questions that you think I should ask him, and maybe I can do an Instagram version of this. Like since I did this on YouTube, maybe we can do part 2 on Instagram, on IGTV, where I ask him a couple of questions again. And yeah, let me know if you want to see that. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram because I post a lot there as well. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am just so impressed with Siddharth right now. So yeah, I'm gonna call him after this video and let him know he did well. And by the way, he's very shy on camera. He I mean, if you guys watch my vlogs when Siddharth's around, he's just super shy when the camera comes up. So I feel like he did pretty well with the camera. I'm so proud of him. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in my next video, hopefully on Saturday. And until then, stay safe, stay home, have fun while you're quarantined, and I will see you soon. Bye.